Call muna kami ni Katie. Babay kami ng mga kailangan. Love you. Love you. Kiss me. You say it again?
I love you, Mom.
That's your favorite? Bubble gum?
Yes.
Can I have one? One lang? Share tayo.
Go!
We're here at the grocery. Oh, you'll get papaya. Get papaya, baby.
There's a papaya.
What's that, baby? Ang dami, anak. Anak, isa lang muna, please. Isa lang. One lang muna. One lang.
Price to.
One lang muna. Let's see. Anak, galing lang tayo ng grocery. Tama na yung bili mo.
Okay. Sabi mo wala silang sakta.
Masarap din to. Try. Ano binibili?
Same naman tayo ah.
Yes. Oh. Ayun o, XL na trash bag.
Saan?
Or two.
Kuha lang ng tubig ba?
Hindi ka nawala.
Yes po.
Love you.
I love you.
Buy mo tayo food. Magkano ate?
754.
Dalawang peso, isang bangus.
Tsaka isang additional
Tang, saka kangko. Yes.
Okay, I'm a princess. That's not my
Wait lang, can you see? Kaya?
bigat.
It's mabigat, but kaya mo yan. And we're back, Katie! Hatid na naman po kami ng food. And mga kung anik-anik. Deliver. Delivery? Sabi na kita ng vitamin C, oh.
I saw. Thank
Look
you.
at this. Oh. Chirin!